Alright guys, got another vid for you. It's Master 535. Get a look at the key bitting here.
This World Health Organization representative says China is acting responsibly.
There's a look at the key bitting. It's got 5 chambers. Yeah, only 4 chambers are being used. Standard security pins. Nothing special about them. It's a good little lock. Pleasing to look at.
If that means keeping the virus out of China. Michel Gomi, CBC News, Beijing.
At least 20 people have been killed in a massive landslide in the Philippines. Rescuers are still searching for survivors after heavy storms dislodged tons of mud in the middle of the night. The landslide buried a dozen houses in the country's northeast. 5 other people died in the fierce storms.
Life's too short for bland meals. Introducing Chili's 10 entrees for under $7 each, like our honey chipotle crispers. We take the time.
And here's that tension wrench I use for plugs there, stiff to turn. Don't know why this one's so stiff. And there you have it, Master 535. Here's a look at the key bitting. And the lock does work. Go ahead and try to take it apart here before I run out of time. Or take the plug out. That. This trap door. There's that. And there's the look at the plug. The key. And there's a look at the 4 chambers in the bottom of the plug for rekeying. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the vid, and rate it if you liked it, and have a good one.